up. Ready?
Yes. Just hurry up, dude. I'm going to... Just do it.
I did.
Okay. Hey, it's me. This is just... I'm just showing you strongs. These are the only two ones I have. Now I'm going to show you the triples. There's not... No, I said the S with the S because we have two of them. Because here's the triples. We just got two. You know we had to get 3 to get all the triples, but we can't. Okay, so let's see. Now I'll show you the yellow birds. They also have 2 of them because we like to match. Here, I don't have enough space to do it, so I'll just walk here. Those are both of the speedies. Let's see. Let me show you the difference. This is mine and mine and mine. This is Corbin's and Corbin's. It's not much good, you know. It's not that much easy to get these ones to so much. Now it's time for the bombers. Because you know we have 2 of everything, but we don't have 2 of everything. A couple of them are different. So here we go. Here's the bombs. Birds. You can't see it much. It's all because of those. The next.
Perfect. Remember, don't get his face.
I know.
Okay, good boy.
Okay, time for Aggie. You know we were supposed to have 2, just like our other
Yeah, what I did was I did all the lamps.
Okay, now the boomerang bird. He doesn't look. His feather doesn't stand up well.
Yeah.
You know his feather is supposed to be like up top. It's supposed to be like we put it like this because it's not that. Not like good enough yet. Okay, now time for Big Brother. I'll put him back here because it'll probably block the whole thing, you know. This is Big Brother. He's the only 8 thing we have, 8 itch we have. And you know it's not that much easy to get sure to make sure.
Find your station here, Ellie.
Shh. Let's see. This is Big Brother. I'll put him right back here.
I have to jack it up.
No. It's time for the little birds.
This is mine.
First up, Little Strong. Next, Little Bomb. Those are my little guys. Those are the only 2 little ones I have. I don't have anything else. I'm going to get more little ones soon. I just had to still think.
You found it, Auntie.
Okay, now time for the seasons. We only have like 1 this season. It's Valentine's. Here's Valentine's Strong. It's Valentine's Strong. See, look. You know it's supposed to look the same. Looks a little bit different because it's a Valentine's. It's a season. We only have like 1 season. We're gonna get more soon. And now those are all the birds. Now I'm gonna show you the pigs. I'm just gonna have a barbecue right here. These are the pigs.
Barbecue over here because it's dangerous.
Those are the pigs. We only have like 3 of them. So we remember in the story you were strong and speedy and beautiful.
Barbecue?
No, just
Out there because they're out there.
knew we had 3. Now it's something else. Okay, so we both have
We never
1.
barbecues underneath because
Here's the 2 helmet.
I almost got this happy.
These are the 2 helmet pigs.
Yeah, he doesn't at all. I don't know if he has a fear of fire or what it is.
And now, time. Here's her pig.
Don't even worry
Because he got broken from the dogs. We call him her pig. Now, we're not picking anymore.
Just once.
Now it's time for Mustachio.
Make sounds.
We make almost all of them. There's still like a couple more. We'll put these right here. It's done. It's the final one. I like that one because it's made out of gold. Here's the Prince Pig. We don't have King Pig. He's supposed to be an 8th size. Because after when we look on the videos, we decided to call it this. Now stand. Now look. Now we'll go a little bit more far. This is all of our Angry Bird collection. This is all we have. We're going to get the Angry Bird wheels. I wish I could show you them, but not yet. It's a couple more days to come, okay? So I guess this is all my Angry Birds. Wait, you can't see 2 of them. This is all my Angry Birds collection. These are all my Angry Birds. These are all my Angry Birds. These are all that I have. I'm going to get more. I'm going to go back on the computer and watch some more videos soon. So,
that's the best way to do it.
Bye.